Alright, so we are going to use nodeJS to convert an Excel spreadsheet or CSV into JSON. So to start off with, I've got a CSV file there. I just pulled off the internet. It's just random sales records, nothing too exciting. Alright, to start with, we'll initialize the project and let's install the package, which is Node-XLSX. Cool. Nodemon app.js. It'd help if I had created that file. App.js. Cool. Run that. Alright, so we're going to start with the dependency. XLXS to require Node-XLSX. Alright, start off with the path for the file we want to convert. This will work for a CSV or an XLXS, whatever you need. Alright, so next we want to convert that. So we'll do const raw data xlx dot pass. We're going to pass through that path. Alright, let's start by just console logging that. We can work with it after that. Raw data. Alright, so what we can see is it's pulled in an array, which will be an array of all documents. There's only one document, so there's only one index. So that document is this one right here, which is sheet 1, because there's only one sheet for it, and we want the data. So let's actually say dot data. That's not going to work because we forgot about the index of the array. 0. There it is. So we're pulling through that data. So next thing we want to do is we want to get the headers from that. So I'm going to say const headers is equal to the exact same thing, but we only want index 0 of that. So say headers, go. We're picking up the headers from the first row. Alright, so now let's get rid of that headers within the raw data. So we'll say raw data.shift. So now if we look at that raw data, 0, we're getting the first record, we're not getting those headers. Alright, now let's convert that to JSON. So now we'll say const data is equal to raw data.map. Let's call, every time we loop over it, record. Cool. Alright, so essentially what we want to do is create an empty object. Alright, then we want to loop over the headers and put each header and the value into it. So I'll say headers.for each header, and we'll also take I for the index. Then we can say obj header, so it's pulling the header that's looping over, is equal to record I, which is pulling out the record and the index of that one. And then we can return that object. So now if we look at that data, getting those keys, getting those values. Perfect. That's all we need.